Looking benign enough, this lithe creature is a specialist. It feeds on blood. This worm is a leech. Stealing through the water, these leeches scour ponds and marshes in search of their next meal. They are the masters of stealth, hunting with bloodthirsty efficiency. Sometimes hapless victims come to them, making for easy prey. Creeping around its victim without being detected, the leech probes for a soft, blood-rich spot to latch onto. Leeches have even developed a means to mask their ferocious bite.
The bloodsuckers have an anesthetic that they inject into their victims that allows them to suck the blood without being noticed. That's a very effective way of feeding.
This leech is equipped with 3 saw-like jaws that tear into flesh, enabling it to gorge itself, sometimes taking in 10 times its own body weight in blood. Given time, the once graceful leech becomes so engorged it can barely even crawl away. It can now go several months without another feeding. Yet for all the fear they evoke in us, some leeches make excellent parents. This one is brooding a litter of over 20 offspring, nestled in a special underside patch,